Hello and Assalamu alaikum to the virtual class of the Brighton School. I'm your class teacher, Ms Anum.S. Today we will learn OW sound. OU and OW makes the same sound, that is OW. OW. Here are the words couch and crown. OU and OW makes the same sound, OW. Let's learn OW words. OU words. Mouse, house, scout, trout. Mouth, shout, mountain, fountain. Let's learn OW words, OW words. Crown, brown, power, tower. Town, clown, pillow, blow. Remember, OU, OW makes the same sound, OW. Play the video again, learn and enjoy. Bye.